Located in Xinjiang City, Henan Province, China, KCI Cranes is a prestigious manufacturer of industrial crane equipment and crane components. KCI Cranes specializes in the lifting equipment and material handling industry, offering OEM and ODM, R&D, production, sales and maintenance services for industrial cranes and spare parts. We provide customized solutions for a wide range of areas, including production lines, workshop loading and unloading operations, open-air construction sites, warehousing and logistics, machinery workshops, metallurgy, and the marine industry. Our main products include electric hoists, light-duty crane lifting systems, jib cranes, transfer carts, winch trolleys, crane wheels, crane and beams, and remote controllers. KCI Cranes has highly advanced production facilities and strict quality control systems. Having undergone rigorous industry association audits and received multiple international awards in recognition, along with 11 product invention patents. With a strong domestic and international market presence, our success is driven by a dedicated team with expertise in R&D, technical aspects, sales, production, quality inspection, and after-sales service. We are looking forward to working together with you. As we look to the future, KCI Cranes remains committed to enhancing factory environments, reducing costs, increasing efficiency, and maximizing the benefits for our valued partners. Whenever you need lifting equipment and customized lifting solutions, we are here for you. Welcome to contact KCI Cranes. We won't let you down.